Big news! Prices for Google's entire Pixel 10 lineup just leaked, including the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, the Pixel Fold, Pixel Watch 4, and even new accessories. And yes, this leak comes right before Google's official Pixel event today. Here's the breakdown. Pixel 10 starts at $790 for 128 GB and $890 for 256 GB. Pixel 10 Pro begins at $999 for 128 GB, goes up to $1,099 for 256 GB and $219.99 for 512 GB, and a whopping $1,449 for 1 TB. Pixel 10 Pro XL starts at $199 for 256 GB and $1,319.19 for 5 and 12 GB, and $1,549 for 1 TB. Pixel 10 Pro Fold lands at $1,799 for 256 GB and $1,999 for 512 GB, and $2,149 for 1 TB. The Pixel Watch 4 also gets multiple models: 41mm Wi-Fi, 349 41mm LTE, 449 45mm Wi-Fi, 399 45mm LTE, 499. And yes, we've got Pixel Buds too. The new Pixel Buds 2a are priced at $129, up from $99. But remember, the Buds A series launched 4 years ago. Accessories include PixelSnap ring stand, $29.99, PixelSnap charger, $39.99, Pixel Flex 67W charger, $59.99, PixelSnap charger with stand, $69.99. By the way, PixelSnap is rumored to be Google's QI2 answer to Apple's MagSafe. So what do you think? At $709, is the base Pixel 10 worth it? Or will you stretch for the Pro, XL, or even the Fold? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for full coverage from Google's Pixel event later today.